The report section provides details about the process documents, system settings, and configurations. Reports in AltaSigna MaplePro can be broadly classified as process reports and system reports. In process reports, you can view details about the processed files. This section displays reports based on the time period configured in the Utilities section. System reports lists all system settings and configurations. Additionally, it also provides information about application status, on scheduler execution, SFTP connection, etc. Process report lists detailed reports pertaining to the processed files that include the type of the processing required for the document. It can be either inward or outward. The document processing date, the processed file name. Double-click the file name to view the source document. The processed file size, the signing time, which is very important for verification against CRL to know whether the certificate was revoked when signed. The signing certificate, double-click the certificate to view it. And the status of the process documents. There can be multiple statuses. Each status has its own color code. When a file is successfully uploaded to the ACH system after signing, the status Outward Upload Successful will appear in dark blue color. When a file is successfully uploaded to the ACH system without signing, the status Outwards Upload Successful will appear in light blue color. When a file is verified successfully and downloaded, the status Inward Success will appear in dark green color. And when a file is only downloaded from the ACH system without verification, the status Inward Download Successful will appear in light green color. And if the verification of a file fails for any reason, the status will be displayed along with the reason for failure in red color. System report lists all details pertaining to system settings and configurations that include the date on which settings are done, the type of settings, and the description of the settings.